we've been using RPA and we've been using Automation Anywhere for quite some years now. So it is pretty well established, but we want to grow that and sort of encourage more uptake within Experian. The Build-aBot, it helps demystify and it helps people understand what a bot is. And I think if you understand what a bot is, you're more likely to trust it. So we asked some of our senior leaders to take part in the Build-aBot session, so they could get a feel for what it's like, to get an understanding of the kind of wider application, what the tool's capable of. That really helps, because we can call on you guys and say, hey, these people are interested in RPA, can you show them what it is? They can get hands-on with it, they can get to experience it like they did in those early days, and I think that's really helpful. The feedback that we've had so far on this has been really, really positive. Like, oh, I didn't know it could do this, or oh wow, this is a really powerful tool. So I really want to get more people to become familiar with RPA so that we can expand it more, really.